Hey everyone, Jason here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy recipe that we really enjoy. It just has a few ingredients. It's chicken salad, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Alright, here's our ingredients for our chicken salad. We're using chicken breast in a can. You can use roasted chicken if you like, but this is super easy and fast. We're going to use Miracle Whip. You can use real mayo if you like. We're going to put 2 stalks of celery in. We're going to chop that up finely. We have a quarter onion. We're going to chop that up finely. And then some S&P. So let's get chopping and put this together. Okay, next we're going to open up our chicken and we're going to drain the water out of this. Okay, next we're going to add our mayo or Miracle Whip. We're going to start with about a quarter cup, and depending on how creamy you like your chicken salad, you might want to add more or less. Now we're going to go ahead and mix this up. Okay, now we have our chicken salad to the consistency and the creaminess that we like. Now we're going to add some salt and pepper. And again, this is to taste. I'm going to put the entire recipe in the description box if you want the details of how we made this. Okay, our chicken salad is done. You can eat this on crackers, that's delicious. We're going to put it on some buns with some American cheese and go ahead and have some dinner. Hi Jaden, go ahead and give it a try, see how delicious it is, if you like it or not.
I like it.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thank you, Jaden. Hey, thanks everyone. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a like and please subscribe.